This video is your guide to 5 amp and 15 amp sockets. 5 amp sockets are light points for low power loads, like lighting. 15 amp sockets are power points for higher power demands, like AC units and heaters with thicker pins. Think of electricity flow like water. Voltage is the water pressure, and amperage is the volume. Forcing a high volume of water through a narrow pipe creates intense friction and heat, which is similar to overloading an electrical socket. Power, measured in watts, is calculated by multiplying voltage, volts, by current amps. Power measures the total work the socket performs. Let's review the technical specifications. 5 amp sockets handle a maximum of 5 amperes and around 1,150 watts. 15 amp sockets handle 15 amperes, or about 3,450 watts, with larger wires and circuit breakers. Physical barriers prevent dangerous mistakes. 15 amp pins are thicker and spaced further apart. This prevents you from forcing a high-power plug into a low-capacity 5 amp socket, ensuring safety. The combined socket, or 6/16 A, accepts both small and large pins safely. However, it requires heavy 15 amp wiring hidden behind the wall. The faceplate is only half the equation for capacity. Thicker metals reduce electrical resistance. 15 amp sockets use thicker brass or copper components. High current passing through thin metal in 5 amp sockets can create dangerous hotspots, potentially melting plastic casings. Consider the electrical highway behind the wall. 5 amp sockets typically use 1.5 square millimeters copper wire, while 15 amp sockets use 2.5 square millimeters to 4.0 square millimeters wire. This extra thickness allows electrons to move without generating heat. Circuit breakers protect the hidden wires. 5 amp circuits use 6A or 10A breakers, and 15 amp circuits use 16A, 20A, or 25A breakers. The breaker trips before the wall wires can melt from overload. 5 amp sockets are appropriate for low-drain devices. These include electronics that process data or create light, and generally, devices that do not use heavy motors. 15 amp sockets are essential for high-drain appliances. This includes machines that transform electricity into thermal energy, like heaters, and machines with high-torque motors, such as washing machines. Be aware of the deadly overload hazard. Adapters bypass safety barriers, and power strips multiply the current draw on a single socket. Hidden wires can melt behind drywall before any smoke is visible. Global standards vary, but physics remains the same. The United Kingdom uses a fused 13 amp system. North America often uses a 15/20 amp system at a lower voltage, and Europe uses a standard 16 amp system. Learn to identify signs of electrical failure. Look for discoloration or melted plastic around the holes. If the wall plate feels hot to the touch, or you hear hissing or smell burning plastic, seek professional help immediately. When planning your home electrical layout, match the appliance to the socket capacity. Install multiple 15 amp points in modern kitchens. Remember, if a plug does not fit, do not force it.